Built from hardened steel, the adjustable uprights allow for quick installation. The Rack Avenger can withstand tens of thousands of pounds of pressure at speeds approaching 15 miles per hour.
Rack Avenger is a patent-pending product that we invented due to time and time again customers complaining about forklift impact, damaging the uprights, the cost associated with unloading the rack, taking the rack apart, buying the new rack, putting it back together, reloading it, and then somebody comes along and hits it again.
Rack Avenger is a turnkey answer to replacing or shoring up warehouse racking. The 20-year replacement warranty is completely free and at absolute zero cost to the buyer.
What we wanted to do is have a consistent impact test for all products out there that would be comparable to roll form racking or structural racking accordingly.
To prove that old substandard racking stands very little chance when facing a 5-ton forklift, Got Rack owner Alan Bridges built this massive pendulum with a 1-ton counterweight, simulating forklift abuse. And the results are crushing. The Rack Avenger.
Rack Avenger didn't move.